afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach. And here with us today is a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. This is an S finished in pure white. It's powered by a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle. And I'm going to walk you around and show you a little bit about the features, point out any minor imperfections that I find. This is option with the driver assistance package, so blind spot monitor, forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, and heated side mirrors. And we'll start up front here at the driver front wheel. As you can see, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. 205 60/16 Kelly Edge tires. Down the driver's side body lines, you will see some dents. There's a few there on the driver rear door. Back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. One small dent on the passenger rear door right there, if you can see that little ripple. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Take you to the interior, Titan black cloth interior. All weather floor mats. This is equipped with Apple CarPlay. There's your 6-speed manual gearbox and your multi-function steering wheel. And current mileage is 77093. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle will be on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.